Now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Wow, what a day out there. And it's going to be a beautiful evening for the most part. Once we get into late evening, though, north and west, you have a chance of a shower. And let me show you why. We talked about that yesterday. And here are a couple of areas. In fact, let me show you way over here. We'll pan to the left. We'll loop it, and you'll be able to see some stuff comes out of the mountains and begins to form out there in the foothills of Virginia and North Carolina. There are a couple of other areas just out of the picture up here in Maryland. That's the front. You'll see it better in just a second. But for the most part, certainly the next several hours at least are going to be very, very pleasant. We'll call it mainly clear to partly cloudy, but a shower is possible northern areas or western areas, again, late evening, and I'm talking 9 o'clock or so. By 10, 11, then the odds even start to include Metro Hampton Roads. Winds out of the southwest as well, but they shift around 11 to 1 in the morning, depending on your location, and become quite blustery out of the north. As you can see, temperatures right now anywhere from upper 70s to near 80 degrees as usual. Williamsburg, not Newport News Williamsburg International, but the Williamsburg Regional Airport. That is checking in right now at 84. They tend to run high, but we know it's at least in the lower 80s, and it is up even compared to yesterday, which we had said was really, really mild. We have this weak area of high pressure hanging on right now, and the combination of the flow around that and out ahead of this next front has put us in the warm zone. So going through the evening, we drop those readings back. Notice with the front coming through, it's still in northern Virginia at 8:30, but as it goes through, 10, 11 o'clock, it rapidly heads to the south. By morning, it's way down here, all the way to South Carolina, and our temperatures will be around the lower 60s, and then they are not going up much during the day tomorrow. We'll have a lot of clouds, chance of a little bit of light rain. I think the best chance will be out here in central Virginia. We said that yesterday, and that's where some of the heavier downpours could be occurring. Futurecast bearing out what we had been calling for the past few days. And then on Sunday, we start to see a shift. The cold front falls apart. Warm front starts to move in. We see sort of a transition day. Temperatures back up into the low to mid 70s. And then on Sunday, as that moves north, on Monday as it moves north, we get downright warm again with near record warmth. Here is that system starting to come across the mountains. A few of these isolated showers then potentially in northern parts of the viewing area by about 9 o'clock. So nice and mild early, blustery with a shower possible later evening into the overnight. Wind southwest shifting roughly again 11 to 1 o'clock to northeasterly at 20, gusting to about 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow a shower in a few spots, but lots of clouds, quite breezy, quite chilly. Temperatures cooler later in the afternoon than they were in the morning. So that's not a misprint. That has 63 for a morning temperature, 61 for the afternoon temperature. Then back up to 74 on Sunday, then 81 Monday, and then some rain likely to move in Tuesday into Wednesday morning. And by Friday, we're talking highs in the mid 50s. We have not seen that in many, many months.
All right, thanks, Jeff.